Good morning! Ay, afternoon na pala. This is empanada na beef. And it's my first time eating one. So let's try it. I pray that it's delicious. Beef lang. It seemed like a decent filling in it. Filling? No! Flavor na lang. One. It's like ano? It's like a calendaria food.
He said it's like a carinderia food.
I tasted the bead. Bead pea. What bead? Why did I say bead? The green one. Is it green?
It's a pea?
My bad, guys.
Yeah, it's really good. Which? Okay. Which?
Are you sure it's
I was
beef?
gonna ask which flavor.
Are you sure it's beef?
Yeah.
Because it's green? Oh.
And I got it from the beef box.
It's okay. It's not something that I would eat again. I'll just finish it because I started eating it already. I didn't expect it to have carrots,
You won't taste it anyway.
and I didn't expect it to have to be crushed. I thought beef inside.
Mashed, something like that.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be like this. I expected
It's your first time to eat empanada.
I expected it to be like there's beef inside.
Carinderia.
What?
You don't bring a water bottle with me?
Not usually.
But in school,
It's not bad,
Small.
but it's not something that I would eat again. Bye.
just for show.
Who is watching Guilty Pleasure?
Pero naka-remix ka na bang
Nakakonek pala ako sa inyo.
Pakibantayan po, guys.
Sir, di ba lang tayo
Ang ganda ng hero na to, kaso ang hirap niya gamitin. Pang ano, pang jungle talaga siya.
May kaklase ba ako ngayon senior yung skin niya sa MLC Shanks?
Huh?
Ay, oo, may One Piece.
Ano yun? Piece na sa ML?
Ha? One Piece?
I'll
Just know